Top Luxury 5 Car.
Number 5, BMW 7 Series, and its electric sibling, the i7. BMW has always called itself the ultimate driving machine. And with the new 7 Series, the company has once again redefined what it truly means to be a luxury sedan. From the outside, its bold kidney grille and split headlamp design create an instant impression, a perfect blend of heritage and futuristic styling. But the real magic begins when you step inside. For rear passengers, there's the optional 31-inch BMW theater screen, offering up to 8K resolution. It transforms the back seat into a private cinema on wheels. With integrated Fire TV, you can stream Netflix, YouTube, or even join a Zoom call, all while the car glides silently on the road. Now, let's talk about the seats. These aren't just seats, they're your personal first-class suites. With heating, ventilation, and massage functions at your fingertips, comfort is second to none. Opt for the Executive Lounge package. And the number 4, Rolls-Royce Ghost. Rolls-Royce has long mastered the art of whisper-quiet grandeur, and the Ghost stands as the epitome of understated elegance. This isn't a car that yells for attention, it speaks with refined poise. Take the soft-closed coach doors, for instance. They glide shut with such silence that it feels like magic. Inside, the cabin hushes the world outside with its extraordinary insulation. And if you gaze upward, the Starlight Headliner reveals thousands of fiber-optic stars, transforming night drives into ethereal, dreamlike journeys. But wrapped in whispering luxury is a truly formidable powertrain. Beneath its long hood sits a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12, wielding 563 horsepower and around 627 lb-ft of torque. This enables a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in approximately 4.5 to 4.6 seconds, astonishing acceleration for a full-size luxury sedan. Inside, modern luxury harmonizes with timeless craftsmanship. The dashboard spans a seamless glass interface, housing instruments, infotainment, and even a digital art gallery. Rear passengers can enjoy dual-screen entertainment, and an 18-speaker audio system delivers concert hall richness. The Ghost also offers intelligent comfort. Its air suspension system scans the road ahead, anticipating road imperfections and smoothing them out. Add adaptive cruise control. Number 3, Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. We shift to the ultimate ultra-luxury SUV, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. This isn't just any GLS, it's a world unto itself, a private jet on wheels. Slide into the rear cabin, and you're instantly enveloped in a first-class sanctuary. The finely upholstered seats recline nearly 43 degrees, letting you lounge in unparalleled comfort. A silver-plated champagne holder and refrigerator elevate every journey into a celebration. Powering this opulent giant is a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with mild hybrid EQ boost, delivering around 550 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds, while the air suspension with Maybach mode ensures you glide over the road with zero turbulence. Every inch of the cabin screams opulence. This is where luxury meets pedigree. A 4-seat configuration offers massive rear legroom, replacing the third row entirely with indulgence. Touchpoints throughout are crafted with quilted leather, rich materials, and ambient lighting that whispers rather than shouts. Optional features include dual infotainment screens for rear passengers, a panoramic sunroof, and a Burmester audio system that turns soft whispers into symphonic moments. Tech and safety are as advanced as you'd expect. The GLS 600 includes adaptive cruise control with lane centering, automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and an intelligent road scan system that smooths out imperfections before your body knows they exist. Value-wise, number 2, Rolls-Royce Phantom. The legendary Rolls-Royce Phantom, the undisputed gold standard of luxury sedans. From the moment the coach doors open, it feels less like entering a car and more like stepping into a private palace on wheels. Every surface is meticulously handcrafted, from the finest leather to rare wood veneers and even bespoke silk trims. Overhead, the Starlight Headliner recreates a starry night sky, while a built-in champagne fridge keeps every journey ready for celebration. Power closing doors add a touch of effortless grace, sparing you even the smallest effort. But tranquility doesn't mean weakness. Underneath the majestic hood lies a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. Despite its size, the Phantom accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.5 seconds, gliding forward with unmatched serenity. Thanks to its camera-guided air suspension, the ride feels like floating on air, anticipating and smoothing out road imperfections before you even sense them. Inside, innovation meets heritage. The dashboard features the gallery, a glass-encased display that can house bespoke artwork, making every Phantom interior one of a kind. Rear passengers are treated to powered ottomans, fold-out tray tables, and a level of privacy and comfort that few luxury suites can match. With a starting price of around $517,000 and easily surpassing $600,000 with bespoke options, the Phantom isn't just a car. It's a statement of ultimate success, wealth, and timeless elegance, setting the benchmark for what luxury truly means. Number 8. Innovation meets heritage. The dashboard features the gallery, a glass-encased display that can house bespoke artwork, making every Phantom interior one of a kind. Rear passengers are treated to powered ottomans, fold-out tray tables. 1. Mansory Whisper of Ecstasy. Finally, we arrive at the Mansory Whisper of Ecstasy, one of the rarest and most breathtaking creations on the planet. Based on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, this masterpiece takes opulence and exclusivity to an entirely new level. Inside, the cabin is nothing short of decadent. The seats and instrument panel are wrapped in hand-bred crocodile leather, contrasted with high-gloss polished wood veneers and intricate gold embroidery. A custom champagne fridge completes the setting, turning every drive into a celebration of extravagance. Step outside, and the drama continues. The Whisper of Ecstasy wears a carbon fiber body with shimmering gold accents, giving it a commanding road presence. It rides on massive 24-inch forged wheels that combine elegance with strength, ensuring it looks as powerful as it feels. Performance is equally staggering. Thanks to Mansory's enhanced engine management, the mighty V12 produces up to 720 horsepower, launching this luxury giant from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.8 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour. With only a handful ever produced and a value ranging between $3.50 and $4 million, the Mansory Whisper of Ecstasy isn't simply a vehicle. It's a rolling work of art, a statement of unmatched wealth, high-gloss polished wood veneers and intricate gold embroidery. A custom champagne fridge completes the setting, turning every drive into a celebration of extravagance. Step outside, and the drama continues. The Whisper of Ecstasy wears a carbon fiber body with shimmering gold accents, giving it a commanding road presence. It rides on massive 24-inch forged wheels that combine elegance with strength, ensuring it looks as powerful as it feels. Performance is equally staggering. Thanks to Mansory's enhanced engine management, the mighty V12 produces up to 720 horsepower, launching this luxury giant from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.8 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour. With only a handful ever produced and a value ranging between $3.50 and $4 million, the Mansory Whisper of Ecstasy isn't simply a vehicle. It's a rolling work of art, a statement of unmatched